How to withdraw money from Binance to bank account. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I'll be showing you the ways to withdraw money from Binance to bank account. To do this procedure, you have to first of all make sure that the account is verified. Now then, to begin with, go ahead and log in into your Binance account. It's going to take you to the home page. And on this page, click the icon or logo in the top left hand side corner. After that, scroll down a bit and go to more services. As you click on more services here, go ahead and tap on withdraw. As you click on withdraw, it's going to take you to the other interface where you need to select whether you want to go with P2P express or bank transfer. So click on bank transfer if you're sure about it, and then you need to select the amount or type in the exact amount that you wish to withdraw, and then the currency type, all that, confirm all of the details. Then you can review all of the information and confirm the transaction by tapping the confirm button. As you're done with that procedure, then just tap on withdraw money from Binance to, then click on confirm, and you've successfully withdraw money from Binance to your bank account. In order to receive the money, so you need to wait patiently until you get further notified. So that is how you can withdraw money from Binance to bank account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.